Hello everyone, welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. I have a Toyota CHR here today for the service. I'm going to perform a sales light reset. So turn the ignition on and then press the trip button and scroll into trip A and then turn the ignition off and press and hold the trip button and ignition on. Then you will see that um, service light gone reset and go back to 15,000 kilometers. According to your region, it will reset to 10,000 or 15,000. So this is very easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Just subscribe and like my channel. Check my channel for other videos. Thanks again.